I'm reviewing the Puncube Mech Aluminum Wallet in the cloud color. If at any time you'd like to check out this wallet for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to click the links below this video. You know that moment when you pull out your wallet and it feels dated? That's exactly how I felt before switching to the Puncube Mech Aluminum Wallet in the stunning Horizon style and cloud color. And let me tell you, this isn't just a wallet, it's a game changer. Right away, I was blown away by how slim and sleek it is. It's crafted from aerospace grade aluminum, so it feels ultra premium in the hand. And the finish, totally fingerprint resistant, keeping it looking sharp even after weeks of use. This thing fits perfectly in my front pocket, even in tighter jeans. No more bulky, uncomfortable wallets ruining the line of my pants. But here's where the magic happens, that zero resistance sliding mechanism. With a single thumb push, my cards glide out effortlessly. It's so smooth and satisfying that I honestly found myself fidgeting with it while waiting in line. It's more addictive than scrolling TikTok. And it's not just fun, it's functional. One-handed access makes paying quick and easy, and it holds all my essential cards securely. Another huge plus is the RFID blocking. I travel often, and knowing that my personal info is 100% shielded gives me real peace of mind. A lot of wallets claim RFID protection, but because this one is fully enclosed in metal, it's like a mini Faraday cage. Signals don't stand a chance. And the compliments? Let's just say this wallet is a conversation starter. I've actually had someone at a cafe ask, "Dude, what is that gizmo?" It's subtle but stylish, and I love that it reflects a modern, minimal aesthetic without trying too hard. Now, to keep this balanced, if you carry a lot of cash or coins, this isn't built for that out of the box. But you can upgrade with modular accessories like a money clip or coin holder, which makes it super versatile. Here's the best part. Puncube offers a 30-day risk-free trial and a 5-year warranty, so you can try it out worry-free. If you're ready to ditch that outdated wallet and upgrade to something smarter, sleeker, and just more fun to use, check out the links below this video to grab yours at a great price. Trust me, your pocket and your style will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.